We talk about how can you add your gender on your Wearfit app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, in first you go down, just click here on me down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click on your name here on your profile. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on gender here, just click on it. So then here can you select your or add your gender here in this list. So when you just select it, you click here on your gender, then it's going to add with you. That's all. I wish you I get it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching.